What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric tricycles that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Addmotor M360 is a remarkable semi-recumbent tricycle designed for versatile, all-terrain riding experiences. At its core, it boasts a potent 750-watt brushless front-mounted hub motor that provides impressive power. Paired with the robust 48-volt by 20 Ah Samsung lithium-ion battery, this electric trike ensures enduring performance on various terrains. Its 20x4 Kenda fat tires offer exceptional stability and traction, making it suitable for a range of outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the M360 is its flexibility in speed control. With pedal assist, it can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour, classifying it as a Class 2 electric bike. However, for those seeking higher speeds, it can be unlocked to function as a Class 3 electric bike. The lockable and removable battery not only adds an element of security but also allows for convenient off-bike charging. Impressively, it provides a generous range of over 85 miles per charge, ensuring you can explore without constant recharging. Designed to accommodate riders between 5 feet 6 inches to 6 feet 6 inches in height, the M360 comes in an array of attractive colors, including green and orange. Additionally, its foldable handlebar makes storage hassle-free. Safety is a top priority with the M360, thanks to its Tektro mechanical disc brakes with a 180mm rotor in the front and 160mm rotors in both rear wheels. This configuration offers balanced and efficient braking, preventing any pulling to the side during abrupt stops. An exclusive addition to Addmotor's Motan series, the M360 embodies the ultimate comfort for city and beach cruising. Its blend of power, range, and versatility make it a standout option for electric trike enthusiasts seeking both performance and style in their rides. The Maxfoot MF30 electric trike is a versatile and cost-effective option designed to tackle all kinds of terrain with ease. At its core, it boasts a robust 750-watt high-torque motor, paired with a 48-volt by 17.5 Ah Samsung lithium-ion battery, providing a substantial range of 50 to over 65 miles per charge. This combination of power and endurance makes it an excellent choice for those looking for an electric trike that can go the distance. One of the standout features of the MF30 is its practicality. It comes equipped with a waterproof basket bag with a massive 48-liter capacity, ideal for carrying cargo, groceries, or other essentials. The step-through frame design ensures easy access, and the trike can support a maximum payload capacity of 350 pounds, making it suitable for various needs. The MF30 is powered by a reliable Bafang 750-watt motor, providing ample power for cruising through city streets or along scenic beaches. The inclusion of Emojo front suspension and a comfortable saddle with a backrest ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, the MF30 is classified as a Class 3 electric bike, perfect for those who want to reach their destination quickly. Additionally, it can be unlocked to achieve even higher top speeds, offering versatility in its performance. In summary, the Maxfoot MF30 electric trike combines power, range, and practicality, making it a compelling choice for riders seeking an affordable yet capable electric trike for a variety of adventures. The Emojo Caddy Pro electric trike is a stylish and efficient choice for urban commuting and recreational riding. Its key features include a 500-watt brushless motor, a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, and hydraulic disc brakes with integrated braking lights, ensuring a reliable and safe ride. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 35 miles on a single charge, the Caddy Pro provides ample power and endurance for daily commutes or leisurely rides. The 4-inch fat tires offer enhanced stability and comfort, while the front suspension absorbs shocks, reducing ride impact for a smoother experience. With a maximum payload capacity of 300 pounds, the Caddy Pro can accommodate various riders and their cargo needs. It's designed to be accessible to riders of different heights, ensuring a comfortable fit for all. The Trike's user-friendly features include an LCD display, thumb throttle, and ergonomic leatherette grips, enhancing the overall riding experience. It's an excellent choice for seniors and adults who seek the simplicity and joy of riding a bicycle, with the added benefits of electric assistance. Backed by Emojo, a reputable electric vehicle manufacturer, the Caddy Pro offers reliability and peace of mind. Whether you're looking for a practical commuting solution or a fun way to explore your surroundings, the Emojo Caddy Pro Electric Trike is a solid choice that combines style, comfort, and convenience. The Lectric XP Trike is an innovative electric tricycle designed for accessibility, convenience, and comfort. This fully assembled and foldable trike boasts a low standover height of just 13.8 inches, making it accessible to a wide range of riders with varying abilities and preferences. Under the hood, the XP Trike features a potent 500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, providing ample power and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. With a range of up to 35 miles on a single charge, it's well suited for both short commutes and leisurely rides. The 4-inch fat tires contribute to enhanced stability and comfort, while the front suspension absorbs energy and minimizes ride impact, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience. The Trike's maximum payload capacity of 300 pounds accommodates riders with varying needs, and its adjustable design supports riders of different heights. User-friendly features include an LCD display, thumb throttle, and ergonomic leatherette grips, enhancing the overall riding experience. The Lectric XP Trike offers exceptional value for money and comes with a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind to riders. This electric trike is an ideal choice for those seeking an affordable and accessible electric tricycle that's easy to store and transport. It has garnered positive reviews for its smooth and comfortable ride, stability, and hill climbing capabilities. The Trike electric tricycle is a remarkable offering designed to broaden the accessibility of electric biking to a diverse range of riders, including those facing mobility challenges. This 3-wheeled marvel is tailored to meet the needs of individuals who may find traditional e-bikes less accommodating. The Trike boasts a robust 750-watt front-geared hub motor paired with a 48-volt by 10 ampere-hour battery, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. Equipped with a front mechanical disc brake and a rear coaster brake, it provides reliable stopping power. With a top speed of 14 miles per hour and an impressive range of up to 55 miles on a single charge, this trike ensures extended and enjoyable journeys. With a maximum payload capacity of 415 pounds and an adaptable design to suit riders of varying heights, the Trike offers versatility and comfort. Its stable and modestly powerful performance ensures a pleasurable riding experience. Efficiency is another hallmark of the Trike, as it utilizes its battery judiciously, surpassing expectations. Backed by Power Bike's reputation for producing diverse and affordable e-bikes, the Trike is a solid electric vehicle. Reviews of the Trike commend its stability, comfort, and accessibility. However, some users have reported minor issues, which may be worth considering for prospective buyers. In summary, the Trike embodies Power Bike's commitment to making e-biking inclusive and enjoyable for a wide array of riders.